In this session, I am going to explain the voltage divider analysis of voltage divider bias circuit of enhancement MOSFET. I kept the on the right side. What you are seeing is the characteristics of the enhancement MOSFET. I just kept it for your reference. So we will start with the circuit. As you see that the voltage divider has resistors R1 and R2. Then the drain resistor is RD and the source resistor here is RS, right? And since input impedance is infinity, Ig is 0. This we already discussed, like if you go back and refer the discussion on JFET, we made this statement already there. I mean, from the beginning of the discussion about the field effect transistor, I was repeatedly saying this. So here Ig is equal to 0 and the voltage at this point is Vg. The voltage at this point is Vg. Here already it is written Vgs, and we can find here Vds. So the voltage at this resistor will be Vd. Here the current flowing here will be Id. So to say exactly, the voltage at this point will be Vds, and the voltage in this resistor can be denoted by Vs. We will start from this side. We will first analyze Vg. So if you take the circuit from this side by considering this as 0, we have a voltage divider circuit. We are calculating this one. So I will just draw this circuit again. And you can call this voltage as Vg. Since this is VDD, here we have R1 and R2. By applying voltage divider rule, what we will get? We will get Vg is equal to VDD multiplied by R2 divided by R1 plus R. Then further we need to find the other values. So if you try to get VGS, here we have VG, here we have VGS, and this one is VS. So by writing the proper equation, by applying Kirchhoff's voltage law again, you can obtain VGS. So before that, another consideration we make, another assumption we make is that we cannot say this as an assumption. Since Ig is equal to 0, we call Is is equal to Id, right? Therefore, we can say that Vs is equal to Is into Rs. Since Is is equal to Id, we can say Vs is equal to Id into Rs, right? And what is VGS? VGS, you can say here Vg minus VGS minus Vs equal to 0 is what you are writing here. So from this you can get VGS. VGS is equal to Vg minus Id into Rs, right? So we found the equation for Vg, we got the equation for VGS, right? And also we got the equation for Vs. So what is Vd? If you want to get Vd, how will you determine Vd?